So, Namaste. Today we are completing seventh day. In this all the seventh day of Thank You Universe, I have told you how the universe is mirror reflection, how your gratitude is working. The more detail we'll go further in future coming. Then how your vibration is impacting others, your surrounding, and you get the impacted by your surrounding. How you can raise your vibration, and this may not be the one reason to be happy or healthy or wealthy, but it is certainly one reason out of 100 reasons for your good life. And this, thank you universe, this all the topic I'm giving you, everything which day to day life we are using that. You're breathing, yes, it's a by default breathing. We are speaking, yes, it's a by default speaking. Water, yes, it's by default. Only thing that we need to work consciously. Now, we have work subconsciously or unconsciously. Now, I have just given you all these examples and practical things I've shown you just to work whatever you are doing today, whatever you are doing, whatever you are speaking, go with very consciously. You need to know, your conscious subconscious need to know what exactly you are doing. You need to know what exactly you are, where you are vibrating. You need to know what exactly which environment you are associated with, and you need to know how exactly how is my path is going to be. This all could have been taught in the schools. This could have started our schools, and it was there in Gurukul. But nowadays, we are not gone in that way, not grown up in that way. Nobody has told. Now, today, I am going to say words are having power. Words are power. As I told you yesterday, the words, the water sensitiveness, the water listens to all the vibrations, and how your word is impacting. I've shown you the picture, yeah, how your words vibration, how it is self improving or destroying, and how you're near and dear to whom you're speaking, how you're raising or pulling down his or her vibration with your words. Now, today I will say the words are the power. Every word you are speaking is carrying its own energy, whether it's a destructive language or it is a constructive language. It is having the power. The words are having more power than even a missile. The words. So watch out what daily you are speaking. You might be thinking, I'm speaking just like speaking. No, your words are your self talk. Your words are your own affirmations. What you speak, first you vibrate. Yesterday I have shown you. Then you vibrate to the people surrounding you. You are transferring that vibration, and you are getting what on the reflection of the universe. You get that association, right? So you know the spelling. What is spelling? Words are having spelling. What is the spell? First, go and check. Spell is a word having magical power. That means this has been understood. Your words are having the magical power. That means this is understood by everyone that by vibration is working, and this can bring a magic into their life. And spelling came from here. And what is spell? In other words, your words are in order. Alphabets are in order to create. So that is spell. And out of that, the spelling has come. But as a spell is a words having magical power. And what you speak is called self-talk. In other way, what you speak is a by default self-talk. That means you are speaking, and what the word came, you didn't realize how it is impacting you, how it is impacting your surrounding. You just came out from the mouth, you spoken, whether it is a public, whether it is a to parents, to anybody. You just spoke what was there in the subconscious with the situation, what came out instantly you have spoken. You didn't realize how it has impacted your own vibration and the people's vibration, as I have showed you yesterday. Affirmation and self-talk is what you have spoken, it was instantly. Now, when you say self-talk or affirmation, you are consciously thinking, what should I speak at this point? When we are speaking or we are discussing or we are making anything, when we are thinking consciously and speaking what you are going to speak now, which can create you and your surrounding the better way. That is self-talk and affirmations. So you make affirmation. Now for the example, you speak somebody the word I hate you. I got hate myself and I have hated to the other person also. And listen, hate. So both of you started hating and truly we hate each other. And I love you. That means the love, self I have loved, self talk I did, I love you. So I loved myself, I have raised my vibration, and when I told you love you, so you are in the also love vibration, the bonding becomes it together. The highest vibration word is love, and the highest destructive word is hate. Rest all comes in this vibration. So you might have got by this, you might have got little idea about how your words. So watch your mouth and watch your words when you are speaking, even to the family member, even to the group of association, even in the office, even wherever you are there. When you speak, please watch your words. Words are having power, and that is self-talk. Yourself you are telling first. Okay, thank you very much.